Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about linear pattern. It's called array. This is generally used for number of quantities has been increased one time to more than number of quantity I want create. This is called pattern. From linear pattern is going to x and y axis. So how to use for shortcut key and directly use from command. So when you start, I will click this one simple circle. I will make this circle here and go to pattern. Like this is called pattern here, arrays, rectangular and circular arrays available. When I click the rectangular, it means linear pattern. Here comes to linear pattern is directly apply. You can select the line here, this circle, line and rectangle, and go to enter. They are asking how many line and circle is going to x and y direction. If you click, this is y direction and this is x direction. Okay, so remember that I will click the number of quantity is okay. This is complete. And if I want which direction you going to, so first of all exit here, and if you change the quantity and number of quantity, so this is 4 quantity but I want to change, so when you click double, when you double click on the diagram and here show the table, when you click the line, show the table, right? This is quantity number x direction is 4 here. Their distance is available right now between two circle. So this is called between 3 distance, but between 2 distance. So when click the number 4, okay, then increase the distance here between two circle and look at this. Again I will change the number of quantity is 5, so number of quantity change 5. When you go to y direction is going to number of quantity is 4 and distance is provide 5 something. When I provide the distance is going to 3 and upward direction, because this is when you provide the minus here, -3, so it is come to down direction, but I want go to plus y axis, so when you +3, so it is make the pattern is very easy from linear pattern. And how to do the linear pattern is working. So it is complete from array, number of pattern has been increased. If I want go to change the shortcut key in array, so how to use shortcut key in array? So first of all go to exit, again I will use from number of pattern is shortcut key. So when I use shortcut key, So how to use shortcut key? So first of all, click the A R, enter, comes to array. So when you click the AR enter, it is come from array. Then select any rectangle here and go to enter. This is called rectangle, path and polar. I want rectangle, so this is come from rectangle here, and number of pattern is directly from this. When exit here, then again I will click double from array and change the number of column and number of row. So it is very easy from change to number of pattern. So there are number of 3 columns, but between distance is very low, so I want go to distance is 4 mm. So it is changed from distance. If you change the row of column distance, so number of distance is provide again I will provide the distance in column between 2 here. Look at this, their distance is 12 mm, so I will decrease the distance 6 mm. So right according to diagram I will change the measurement easily. So this is called pattern here, very easy to pattern. If you want to this is shortcut key AR enter and provide the array. So today has complete this session, and thank you.